very, very, very fresh and exciting because we prepared new arrangement for you guys. So, yeah, we're very excited for this performance. We only have 2 minutes left. So, yeah, please do watch this, the first take with our newest take on Mapa.
Thank you so much.
And yes, this time I think I'm going to promote our upcoming documentary, The Pagtatag Docu. It will be available in all cinemas nationwide this August 28th. So yes, I'm not sure in other countries, but yes, here in the Philippines it will be available in all cinemas nationwide starting on August 28th. The Pagtatag documentary, not on all. It's not all selected cinemas nationwide. And 150 cinemas nationwide. Sino yan? Si Maling ba yan?
Jumbo.
Mas, dami na kasing pusa yan.